Hi friend, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. This is Shankar and today I bring one video for you, and this video is about a work permit in the Czech Republic, which hope this video will be helpful for you. And this is my small request to you guys, and please don't go behind my level of English. Just I try to give informations about the Czech Republic and the work permit in the Czech Republic. So I try to give informations as per the experience and as per the result I got from the some researches. Hope you guys you will understand and you will consider my level of English, and you will enjoy with informations what I'm going to deliver to you. I know this is your first time in my YouTube channel, and I would like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Then it will help me to bring a more video and a more informative video in futures, which is related to work permit in the Czech Republic and other informations about the Czech Republic, which will help you to make your some plan about the Czech Republic. Friends, if you are looking work permit or jobs in the Europe, and Czech Republic will be best destinations for you, because Czech Republic is comparatively very easy to get a visa among the European countries, and it is a very good place to live and work. It will help you to grow your career in Central Europe. Now, before starting our topic, I want to share a very important informations for you. In the Czech Republic, there is a different category to hire the people from the abroad, and they have a different category like a employee card or blue card. And today I will discuss about the employee card. And blue card is also allocated for the people who are hiring from the outside to the Czech Republic. And employee card, this is especially for the third country national who are non-European, and it's apply for the all the third country nationals. And even blue card also apply for the third country nationals, but it's a highly qualified people. And today our topic is work permit in the Czech Republic. Actually, I try to describe how to apply and how to done your all the process in the Czech Republic to get the work permit. Just I show here the step by step, and by the step wise I divided all the steps in the 5 different group, and each different group has a different step. It's once done and you will complete your all the process. So one by one I will describe you here. Without further delay, let's start our topic today. In the first step, you need to get the job contract from the Czech company, and you can search the job from online like a different kind of the job portal, and you can contract with the recruitment agency. And some recruitment agency they may work from your home country, or some recruitment agency they already located in the Czech Republic, and you can contact with them and you can talk with them, and they can send the job offer, or if you are eligible for the any specific job category. After that, you need to get the one more additional document, that is the proof of accommodations. If you are not getting the proof of accommodations, you cannot apply the visa. So you need to get the 2 kinds of the documents from the Czech Republic. One is offer letter, second is proof of accommodation. And this step 1 is complete, and this is all from your employer. After getting these 2 documents, now you need to prepare your documents in the step 2, and this is the time to prepare documents from your side, like your academic certificates. And minimum education is better to have 12 years of educations, and you need to have a police clearance certificate. Means first is education certificate, academic certificate, and this academic certificate you should have attested from your Ministry of Education and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And the same way, your police clearance certificate is should be attested from your Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And friends, if you are living in the different countries, or if you are working in other countries, not in your country of origin, and you need to get the police clearance certificate from the country where you are residing, and you need to get the approval from or attested from a Ministry of Foreign Affairs where you are residing. After finishing these 2 documents, these documents need to translate it in the Czech language, and translation agency should be approved from the Czech Republic. Normally you are getting the lots of agencies which are locally available in your country or country where you are residing. Either you can find the lots of list of the names, they can provide this kinds of the service, translation service, but be sure that agency should be approved. And sometimes our additional document they may ask to you because of what kinds of the job you are applying for, and you need to submit the additional document also. But these kinds of the documents normally no need to attested from the different part, like some job experience or something. These kinds of the things you don't need to approve from the foreign affairs or education. It's easy to just get a certificate and just translate in the Czech language. That's it. So once translation is done, after that you need to submit your all documents in consulate office of consulate section for legalization. But before that, you need to get an appointment to submit these kinds of the documents, and they will charge some fees to approve your document. Once they will legalize your all the documents, these documents are eligible to submit during your visa application. Okay, now we will go in a step 3, and in this step especially is related to apply or submitting your applications. To submit your applications, you need to get an appointment. So you need to have either you need to write an email or you can get the appointment from the phone, but you better to get the appointment from the via email. Just send the one email to submit your visa applications to the consular sections of the Czech embassy. After that, they will give you one particular date, and you need to prepare all the documents during this time. And all the documents should have the one Xerox copy, and somewhere they used to call photocopy also. You need to prepare photocopy, 2 copies of passport size photo. You need to keep ready your passport and make sure there is a sufficient date to apply your visa. And after that it has at least 2 blank pages or 1 blank page. Put your visa sticker. During this time you need to fill up the employee card application form, and you can find these kinds of the PDF file from the official website of the concerned department, or you can click link below that I will provide you the link, and you can download the file from available link. And now you have done now you have completed your all the documents, like an employee card applications form, your passports, your all documents, and the passport size photo. Everything is done. After that, you will submit your documents in given specific date. Please present yourself in the good manner with a smiley face and greet them to all the officials who are going to serve you there. And be ready for the biometric process. Once biometric process everything done, and you will get some piece of a receipt, which is the evidence that which is the proof of the applications you submitted and you applied for. And now finally your visa application our employee card application process has been submitted, and now this is time to wait, and you need to wait for your result. And this is the time for approval of your documents, and it takes more than it takes 90 to 120 days. In some case it may take some more additional days, but normally in the 120 days people are getting their confirmation. But it's worth to wait for a long time even because you are going to get a work permit visa, or you are going to get a residence permit visa, and which will allow you to work and reside in the Czech Republic for the specific time durations. If you are getting these kinds of the visa, you are eligible to visit the 26th country in Europe. It has a very big value, so it's worth to wait until your visa for the approval. But keep in mind the approval of the documents depends on the officials who checked your documents. And I wish you best of luck for this time. I'm sure that you will get the visa and you will be in the Czech Republic. When your visa or when your document is approved, after that they will give a notifications from phone or via email by the Czech consular where you applied. Same time they ask you to bring the medical insurance. These kinds of the medical insurance you can find from the Czech medical insurance agency, and you can ask from the online also. You can purchase, either you can talk with your employer, they can provide that same kinds of the insurance from the different agencies. So take a copy from the online, from the email, and print and get the copy and go to the consular and you can submit your insurance. After that they will ask your passports and some receipt also, the proof that you submitted your documents. After that they can put a sticker on your passport. You will get D visa on your passport, and this visa actually allow to come in the Czech Republic to collect your work permit or residence permit. And congratulations, now you are eligible to come in the Europe, and you are coming in the Czech Republic, which is the small beautiful country in the Central Europe, and this is the country of castles. And now you are free to travel 26 country up to 90 days. And after coming in the Czech Republic, there is some further process that I will describe process in another video. That's why just keep follow my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will give the detailed informations in future also, so you don't need to miss this kinds of the informations if you are thinking and if you are planning to come in the Czech Republic. Friends, I hope you enjoyed with my video. So if you like, please don't forget to like my video, and if you want more informations, don't forget to comments in the comment sections. I will try to respond, and I will try to reply all the comments as much as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye for today. Have a good time.